Hello guys, welcome back to my channel. I hope you guys are all doing great. A very big thank you to all my subscribers. Thank you so much guys for always supporting me. Thank you guys for all your support. I appreciate you a lot. And if you're new, you're welcome. Please do not forget to also subscribe. Remember to turn your bell notification bells on. That's the only way you get notified every single time I upload a new video, okay? So today's tutorial, I'm going to show you how to make this beautiful flare gown. It's very easy, beautiful and stylish. Let's just get to work. So here I have this fabric I'm going to be using. Okay, so I'm going to show you how I actually did this fold. So this is like an approximately 3.5 yards of fabric, and I folded it along the length into two. So I folded it along the length into two this way. You can see along this length. Okay, then what I'm going to do, if I decide to make it very full this way, I will not get the exact length, and also I don't really want it to have that much fullness. So this is how I'm going to fold it, just to give it a little bit of flair. You can see this way, and I'm folding it this way. I really want to achieve the length to be all in full length. So what I'm going to do here now that is dragging out, I'm just going to push it in backward. You can see this. So I'm pushing it backwards in. Can you see this now? So you have it level up here. So all I need to do is just to adjust this properly. So you can see now, see how the floor length looks like. Moving up. So you see the way it is now at this upper part. If I should get my baseline here, remember there's a path that is out here. So be careful where you're drawing your line. So I just get a baseline to work with here. You can see. So from here, I want to confirm what I have in length. So if I should take this all the way, so I have here about 58, and what I need is 56, and of course I'm going to add hemming allowance to it. Okay, so this is fine for me to work with. So what I'm going to do now is to get my 8 inches mark. I'll mark it this way and come down by 1 inch so that I can get my shoulder slope. Then I'll come here and get 3 inches and get my shoulder slope this way. Okay, then from here I'll also go down by 9 inch at the chest line. Okay, so from this chest line here, I'll input my chest measurement, which is 38. If I divide it by 4, what I have is 9.5. So I put 9.5 here, but there's an extra 2 inches allowance. So it's also important to know this, that you place it in such a way that you can actually have room to, because if I'm measuring this now and I see that it's not giving me the exact measurement that I want, then you might have to fold it, a little bit. Okay, and I think I want to do that. Just fold it a little bit so that I can get an extra allowance. Although it's going to affect the down part, but I still have an extra 1 inch down there to play with. The bust, earlier I said 9.5, so I have extra 3 inches here because I want it to be full. Okay, so this is fine. And I'll line the flare to start from this bust line. Okay, yes, so I'm taking it all the way to the floor length. So I'll just decide the neckline that I want. My neck width, I want it to be 3.5 inch. Then the neck depth, I want it to be 4 inch. So I'll just take it in 3.5 to 4 inch. Yeah. Then um the shoulder measurement, sorry, is 15 divided by 2, that's 7.5 actually. So here is my shoulder marking, and here is my shoulder distance. So I'm just taking this all the way now to the armhole line. I'll just take it this way. Okay, so that's it, guys. Very, very simple. You can see this. So all I need to do is to take it all the way from this point, this bust point line, take it straight down to the floor length. It's that easy. So I'll just go ahead and cut this out. So that's it, guys. This piece is ready. You can see this, how full it is on the, you can see there's still a lot of fullness on the lower part. Okay, so this is it, guys. See how it looks. Looking beautiful already into the floor length. So I would like to add a sleeve here as well. I'll just add a basic sleeve. Okay, I have a video on how to on how to create a basic sleeve. I'll just link it in the description box. Okay, it's very, very easy. So I'm going to be cutting a sleeve out to attach it to here. Then I mean, like, practically this is done. That's why I said this is very, very simple. All I need to do now is just to hem the neckline. You can use a bias tape for that, or I can also cut out, say, 1 inch strip from this same fabric. I'll just use it as a bias just to hem the neckline, the shoulder, and also fix the sleeve. That's once I fix my sleeve, I'll join my sides and hem the lower part, and this outfit is ready. That's it, guys. So I'm just going to finish this up and show you the final look of this dress. So guys, this dress is ready. For the neck, I ended up using a facing for it. Okay, so I changed my mind. I used the facing. Okay, so here is the sleeve and the bottom of the dress hem, and also the inside weaved. Yeah, so this dress is ready. I'm just going to put this on the mannequin so you will see how it looks. And here you have it, guys. This dress is ready. This is so, so beautiful. Wow. Okay, guys, the simplicity of this dress is everything. And here is the thing, any body size can rock this dress. Summer, winter, this dress goes. Like, this is so beautiful. You need to try this for yourself. Just follow the process. If you need to go over it again, fine. Like, this is very easy to make. That's the interesting thing about it. So guys, thank you so much for watching. Please don't forget to share my videos, give me a thumbs up, and subscribe to my channel. Till I see you on the next one. Bye.